Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix Steam games not launching. So let's get started. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is not launching in the list on the left. Right-click on the game, then select Manage, followed by Properties. In the Settings menu, go to Local Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and fix them if needed. If that does not work, try clearing the Steam download cache. To do this, click Steam at the top left corner, then select Settings. Go down to Downloads and click on Clear Download Cache. Confirm by clicking OK, and Steam will restart. After it restarts, log back into your account and try launching the game again. This should solve the issue, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.